लाइव है सर अभी ना।
हाँ हाँ।
सर आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, लाइव है आप।
ओके। आर देयर एनी क्वेश्चंस दैट स्टूडेंट्स कैन आस्क? हेलो, दिस इज प्रोफेसर वांकर। हाँ, क्या मतलब वही पूछ रहे हैं लोगों से ना, क्या क्वेश्चन है? स्टूडेंट्स कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस। हेलो। Questions, if there are, then post. Yes, sir. You can start. That's why I'm saying. But he's saying you start. You are on.
सर
हेलो।
सर अगर फॉरम पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं तो वहाँ उसका आप बोल सकते हैं सर, उसके बारे में सर।
हाँ सर।
फॉरम पे अगर क्वेश्चन कुछ आए रहेंगे तो आप वहाँ के बारे में बोल सकते हैं सर।
नहीं, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है।
ठीक है सर, तो यहीं पे आप जो भी रहेगा आप एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए।
फोरम पे है, हाँ, फोरम पे क्वेश्चन जो आए हैं वो हमने उसका आंसर दे चुके हैं। हाँ। नहीं, फोरम। हाँ, लगी कोई। ये डबल डबल। ये यूट्यूब वाला कहाँ से बंद करेंगे? ऑडियो। यूट्यूब का ऑडियो कहाँ से बंद करेंगे?
सर यूट्यूब पे जाइए, और यूट्यूब पे जब ये माउस लेके जाएंगे ना तो नीचे म्यूट करके बटन, म्यूट करके आएगा ऑप्शन सर, उसको बंद कर दीजिए सर।
हाँ, मैंने बंद कर दिया है।
आप भी ठीक करेंगे, आवाज आ रहा है सर।
हाँ हाँ, अब आ रहा है। ठीक है। सो, आर देयर एनी क्वेश्चन? आर देयर एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स? Arun Kumar, you had asked several questions on the forum. Are you there? Hello. रवि।
यस सर।
हाँ, वो कोई क्वेश्चन तो है नहीं।
हाँ सर।
ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है क्या? उन्हें एक लड़का था, उसने चार पांच क्वेश्चन पूछे थे, उसके सब आंसर हमने और मैडम दोनों ने दे दिए थे।
हाँ सर।
उसके बाद वो लड़का भी ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, उसका नाम अरुण कुमार है।
नहीं सर, अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया, ऐसे लगता है।
हम्म।
करंटली 4 लोग व्यू में है सर।
वो हम ही लोग हैं। तो क्या करें, बंद कर दें? 5:30 होने को आ गया।
हाँ सर, आप बोल दीजिए कि सर कुछ क्वेश्चन रहेगा तो आप फॉरम पे पूछ सकते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट को लाइव सेशन पूछ सकते
या
हैं सर। आप वाइंड अप कर
Uh,
दीजिए।
hello. If there are no, if there are questions, you can send it to me by email or by on the forum. Then we'll take it up next time. Looks that nobody has come. I've been waiting for the past 25 minutes. So we are closing it up. There is any problem, then you can contact me by email. Honey, sirs, are you here for the last 4 years? Why? Oh, there is a question. Why? Honey, are you there? Hello. Why am I running this course for the last 4 years? That is because people are joining to do different batches of the students are you running the course from father? Why? honey, आप एक ही कोर्स को बार बार रन करेंगे तो किसे न्यू स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन होंगे? Yes, yeah. Uh, this course is being offered in the rerun mode or repeat mode. That is because a number of students have expressed their interest to join the course. That is why it is being done. 450 students have registered this time, and 36 or more students are, yeah. Now you are asking me why you are not giving new course. Tell me which course you want me to give. Have you taken this course last time? When did you take this course? Hello, honey, when did you take this course? And why are you joining now? There are 450 new students who have joined, and there, sir, I took 3 times already. Yeah. If you have taken 3 times, there are more number of students who are taking for the first time. I do not know. And why I am not giving a new course is something that I cannot answer at this moment, because I just want to know which course you want, what aspect of the organic chemistry course that you want me to give. I'm re-running this course because the NPTEL has asked me to give the course. Oh, yeah, but see, you are asking me to give on organic photochemistry. For that it will take time for me to make the videos and prepare for the lecture, and then record all the lectures and do it. That I cannot really, just are there till now. Yeah. So if I offer any new course, I will anyway, it will be there on the NPTEL website. Okay. 36 student registrations are there till now as far as examinations are concerned, but otherwise 450 students have registered, I mean, joined the course, as I understand. I'm very sure that there are other courses on NPTEL that you might be interested in taking. Yeah, 450 students are enrolled and 36 registrations are there. That is the correct. Okay, registration might increase. Yeah. Yeah, so actually it depends on various factors. I was asked by NPTEL to rerun the course because of certain their rules or whatever, the number of students enroll or register or whatever may be. That is the reason it is being reoffered. Then if it is a new course, that if I have to do, then it has to start with a new proposal, then I have to record the lectures and then do it. So that will take some time. I thought that there are many other courses already on the NPTEL forum which people can join. But if I have to do it, then it will take some time for me. Since it is I am being asked to do that, that's why I am. Yeah, if new courses are not coming in chemistry, are you doing organic chemistry? If you have done my course 3 times, then I think based on that, you can solve various questions. Yeah, Madam Bharti Sarang has already answered your question. And okay. Well, I suggest that whatever my portion of organic chemistry that you have taken, based on that, you can solve various questions of, say, CSAR net for the past few years, or GATE, or JAM, or JAC, all these competitive examinations. You solve the questions, and if you have any questions related to organic chemistry, then you can send a question on forum related to what I have taught, or the question that you are thinking that you can solve it in GATE or JAM or whatever, NET, CSIR NET or whatever. But right now, I am not offering any new course. This question of yours is something that is for the NPTEL people to answer. Okay, there doesn't seem to be any question. Assignment, because questions are also same in assignments like previous assignments. Yeah, that is what is normally done, because it is meant for new students. That is the reason why the old assignments or old questions will be there. There is no way I can give new questions right now. The best thing is that you look for the various kind of questions from various GATE and NET uh, question papers for the past few years, and try to solve them based on what is taught in my course. So whatever is relevant, you can solve those questions. But I'm not very sure whether I can post new questions uh, on the forum. Mhm. Yeah, Madam Bharti has already written to you the constraint. Honey, this is not the forum to ask what should be done and what should not be done. It is meant for asking or clarifying the doubts with respect to organic chemistry course that I have taught. So that is what this Madam Bharti Sarang is also telling you. Thank you, honey, if you are liking the course, but to design a new course, I will take some time and then it will come on the forum or on the website if and when I do it. Okay, fine. If you know, no doubt, fine. There seems to be nobody else who has joined, so I think maybe we can close. I'm not sure. Madam Bhatt. Raj Dayalan. Hi, sir. Yeah, Raj Dayalan. Tell me. Hello, Raj. Raj, you have joined. You have any question? Tempo reagents explain. Acha, okay. Tempo is used, I suppose you are referring to the oxidation of alcohol to aldehyde using tempo. So let me see if I can show you the slide. 1 second. What's the current slide? I'm just trying to fetch the slide and then explain to you. You remember which slide was it? No, no. Okay. Yeah, oxidation reaction. So basically, the let me see. That's what I'm trying to get the slide. So let me explain anyway without the slides. I will check it later on. Uh, right now, I'm not able to get that. Mhm. You remember which lecture it is? Which lecture number? Yeah. Okay. Uh, yes. Lecture number 21. I see that. See, what happens is tempo is a six-member nitrogen containing piperidine N oxide. It has two methyl groups on the left side and two methyl groups on the right side. I do not know if I can share. Padma, बताना जरा कैसे share करेंगे? Okay, let me just see if I can share. Share screen. Window. Yeah. All lectures. Hello. Anyway, let me explain. I'm not able to share that particular part. So basically, when tempo is used along with sodium hypochlorite is an oxidizing agent that oxidizes the tempo. Tempo is an oxy radical. So radical gets oxidized, it becomes O plus. And since it becomes O plus, the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen make N double bond O plus. It becomes a tetravalent nitrogen with a positive charge. And then it alcohol interacts with the positive charge on the nitrogen, and the nitrogen oxygen double bond moves out to become O minus, which I have shown you in the slide. Now this forms a five-membered kind of transition state where nitrogen is connected to a O minus on the right side, and on the left side, you have the oxygen from the alcohol, the next carbon, and the hydrogen of alcohol. Now, with a 5-member transition state, the oxidation occurs, and you re-get the tempo, which is now OH. Then it again gets reoxidized with the sodium hypochlorite, and again the same tetravalent nitrogen containing species is formed, and alcohol oxidation takes place. This is what. So where is the question? Where is the problem? I hope you understand, Raj. Basically, tempo is oxidized by sodium hypochlorite to a positively charged species, which reacts with alcohol, and then it gets oxidized to the aldehyde. That is the purpose of tempo, which is used in catalytic amount. But sodium hypochlorite is used in equivalent amount or more than that, because that is the cheaper one, and then that reoxidizes the tempo which is released. I hope you understand this. Are you there, Raj? Any other query, Raj? Are you there? Yeah. Now, on penic oxidation, what is penic oxidation? Basically, it goes to the aldehyde becomes the acid. So here you are using, let me again check the, okay. You are not asking any specific question. You are simply asking me to explain entire thing, which is little difficult. Let me, okay. Penic oxidation, as I said, aldehyde to acid. Okay. Now, the here the oxidizing agent is sodium chloride. Now that reacts with sodium hydrogen phosphate to form HClO2, where oxygen is connected to hydrogen, that is OH, and then oxygen, the same oxygen is connected to Cl and double bond O, that is chlorous acid. This chlorous acid is released in the medium when sodium chloride reacts with sodium hydrogen phosphate under the reaction conditions. This chlorous acid protonates the carbonyl group of the aldehyde, followed by nucleophilic reaction of the O minus to form an intermediate, which is, say for example, RCHO is the aldehyde, then RCHOH and OCl double bond O, which then collapses to form the acid and hypochlorous acid. Now, hypochlorous acid is going to react with extra olefin that has been presented in the reaction medium. That is the reason, like for example, 2-methyl-butene is used. 2-methyl-butene is used mainly to trap hypochlorous acid so that it doesn't create a problem. Why it is used such a reagent system? Because sodium chloride is cheap, sodium dihydrogen phosphate is cheap, 2-methyl-butene is relatively cheap, and therefore an aldehyde can easily be converted to the corresponding carboxylic acid on a large scale without using too expensive reagents. And that is the reason why this penic oxidation is being used, which basically relies on chlorous acid. I hope you understand. If there is any other specific question around penic oxidation, then you can ask. or any other question. I hope you understand. Yes, hydrogen peroxide also we can use. That also I have mentioned later on. And that is also useful from the point of view of basically oxidizing the hypochlorous acid to the corresponding. So the idea is that hypochlorous acid, which is released as a side product or a byproduct, needs to be consumed because it is a strong acid. So basically, hydrogen peroxide then cleaves it into hydrochloric acid, water, and oxygen. Or you use 2-methyl-2-butene. So either of the two you can use it. So these are various modifications people have done it. So one can use that also. Basically to take care of the hypochlorous acid. I hope you understand. Are there any other questions? Yeah. Sodium borohydride reduction methanol reaction. Yeah. What is the question? Sodium borohydride reaction with methanol. What is the reaction? What is the question? Sodium borohydride is used as a reducing agent in alcoholic solvents because it is ionic and it doesn't react fast with, say, methanol or water. It does react, but it reacts very slowly. So therefore, that is the reason why sodium borohydride is used as a reagent in methanol as the solvent. What exactly is the question? Sodium borohydride reduces aldehydes and ketones mainly, and with very few other compounds, but mainly it is used for the reduction of aldehydes and ketones to the corresponding alcohol. What exactly is the question? I don't understand. No, no, no. Reaction is not slow. That is not correct. I do not know who told you. Sodium borohydride reduces aldehydes and ketones relatively fast. Generally, you take the aldehyde or ketone in methanol or ethanol and then add sodium borohydride, it reacts. Now you have to ask the question with respect to which reagent this reacts slow. If you ask for lithium aluminum hydride, for example, it will be slow because lithium aluminum hydride is a stronger reducing agent. But that you cannot use in methanol or ethanol because lithium aluminum hydride itself reacts with methanol and ethanol and hydrogen is liberated. So it is definitely relatively slower with respect to lithium aluminum hydride, but it reacts reasonably fast. Have you done the reaction? Do you have an first-hand experience? I hope you understand. Lithium aluminum hydride is a stronger reducing agent than sodium borohydride because aluminum is less electronegative than boron. And therefore, the hydrogen in aluminum hydride is more nucleophilic than in sodium borohydride because aluminum is less electronegative than boron. I hope you understand. Okay, good. Is there any other question or otherwise? Okay, fine, Raj. Thank you, Raj. Okay, fine. Yes, we can wind up. Shall I quit? No? Yeah, 6 week is going on. Yeah, the next interaction we'll have on a 1 month later, next month sometimes, and you can specifically ask specific questions, then it will be better. And maybe send me 1 or 2 days before so that I can maybe make models and all that and show you. And tell others also, those who are taking the course. Are you enjoying the course? Yeah. Are you enjoying the course, Raj? Okay, fine. We can wind up, Madam Bharti. Okay, I'm logging off. Okay. डबल क्यों लग गया हमको समझ नहीं आता है